In this video, I'm going to show you how to graph horizontal and vertical lines. And what I want to give you is just kind of a quick cheat sheet that I have used in previous videos, but I'll quick run through that cheat sheet again here. And what I mean by that is this phrase. It's a helpful phrase to graphing horizontal and vertical lines that I'll show you here. And it's this phrase called HOI and also VUX. Now the phrase HOI VUX is very helpful for graphing horizontal lines, and here's why. The H in horizontal lines, the H stands for exactly that, horizontal. The O in the HOI stands for zero slope. And the Y in the horizontal, HOI, horizontal, stands for the equation, which is always going to be y equals a number for horizontal lines. So when you're looking at the two here that says for graphing horizontal and vertical, HOI stands for y. Horizontal lines have y's, and so I know that this one is going to be horizontal because it is y equal to a number. And so I know that this one is going to go, in case you forgot, horizontal goes left and right, kind of like how you see the sunrise come up over the horizon. And so this graph here I know is going to cross the y-axis at -3. So this is where it's going to cross, and it's going to go left and right from there. Now VUX is your vertical lines, and I'll explain what VUX stands for. V, your vertical lines go up and down, so again vertical. And then the U stands for undefined slope. And the X is your equation because it is as simple as X is equal to a number, and that's it. And so when I see this X equals to 2, let me just move this out of my way here for a second. If my X is equal to +2, it's going to cross my X-axis here at that number 2. And so this is your vertical line. So horizontal and vertical lines, it's helpful if you can remember this phrase, because if you see the X, you can think VUX. If you see the Y, think HOI. And that's kind of a helpful phrase for you. So maybe one more important detail I would add to this would be the fraction you get. For slope, your fraction is going to be 0 over a number, so that's kind of helpful if you're calculating slope. And for undefined slope, it's going to be a number over 0, but you cannot divide by 0. That's going to give you an error on the calculator, which is why we call it undefined slope. One more other helpful phrase, if this isn't as useful for you, would be sort of what I saw on a poster when I was in math class, and it was this. Vertical lines have no slope, and horizontal lines have 0 slope. So maybe that's helpful for you, or maybe HOI VUX is more useful for you just because it has more detail, obviously, but whatever is useful for you, use it and remember it.